When is the last time that you checked your hearing? And are you hearing what your life is trying so hard to tell you? This week we're off balance on purpose in Phoenix. Phoenix is actually the third city on this trip. 3 days ago, I spoke in Mexico City for about 1,000 people. It was amazing. And then flew to New York, landing very late at night, and then driving in a rental car to New Jersey, arriving at 3 a.m. in this blinding rainstorm. After finally getting to sleep, I was jolted awake by this blaring alarm, this assault of noise and light, and forced to wear earplugs to protect my hearing as I evacuated with the rest of the hotel guests out into the rain. And now I find myself in Phoenix speaking in just a couple hours for the International Hearing Society, a group of men and women and companies that are dedicated to improving hearing through treatment and technology. Now, is that a coincidence? I don't think so, because I've been thinking a lot about hearing lately as a defining life skill. Do you truly hear what others are trying to tell you? Not just their words, but their desires and fears, their motivations, their desperate pleadings of their hearts. We all have a deep desire to be heard. Do you hear what the circumstances of your life are telling you what must be addressed or what must change right now? Are you hearing divine guidance presented to you through intuition, opportunity, intervention, or the interruption of your intended plan? Have you heard that hearing hair cells do not regenerate, which is why it is so important that we protect our hearing? But today I'm making the case that hearing and heeding are synonymous. If there was a device that you could wear that could amplify your ability to discern what was wrong, what was right, what was real, what was imagined, would you now be able to hear and know with absolute clarity what to do next? And isn't it interesting that you already know that answer? You see, a sound, a thought, an insight once heard cannot be unheard. It can only be ignored. Answer the alarms of your life. Quiet the noise which can be deafening and hear what truly matters. Listen intently to those who need you and those who are trying to help you. And if what you've heard here has meaning, share it with others and let me know. And until next week, listen louder, hear what matters, and stay off balance on purpose.